Welcome to Orphan Europe's Training House, a highly interactive learning platform usable on your laptop, smartphone or tablet. Enter your user ID and password to access your personal area of the learning session. Orphan Europe's Training House is a web-based platform that enables you to learn, test and improve your level of knowledge about Orphan Europe's products. Click on Go to Products to access the general homepage. All our products are shown on the general homepage. Under each product, you can see the level of your learning performance with regards to the tests completed and the scores achieved so far in the questionnaires on each product. If you have not yet filled in a questionnaire, there will be no test result. Clicking on a product will give you access to the training material related to that particular product. In the product homepage, you can access the product glossary, which lists the definitions of some of the specific terms related to the product. Download all the educational material regarding the product, including the slide kit of the learning session, the questionnaire, and the documents for further learning in the product material download area. Consult the product key publications. Carry out word searches in the texts of the learning session and throughout the platform. Return to the general homepage of all the products, or access of another product of the learning platform. On the left, under the product logo, your personal control panel shows the percentage of tests completed and your total score so far for the questions related to the chapters of the selected product. If you have not yet answered any questions, there will be no result. On the right, there is a product learning session area organized in chapters. Each chapter has a test questionnaire which appears only when you have consulted the whole of the preceding chapter. The percentage of tests completed is shown under each chapter, and the score so far achieved in the questionnaire related to that chapter. There will be no result if you have not yet answered any of the questions. You can access the training area by clicking on the chapter. Each of the chapters of the learning sessions for each product consist of several slides, and each slide has an accompanying descriptive text on the right. To scroll through the text, use the grey bar on the right, or the arrows under the text. Some of the words of the text are underlined. If you click on the word, a window containing the definition of the word or term will open. You can also find this definition in the product glossary. There is also an audio connection for each slide, in which the text at the side of the slide is read. You can deactivate the audio by clicking here, or start it again by clicking here. You can go to the next slide by clicking here, or to the preceding one by clicking here. With some browsers, you can go forwards or backwards using the keys, arrows, of the computer keyboard. The button Go to Questions leads to the test questionnaire of the chapter. In the lower part of the screen, under each slide, there is the Attachments area with links to documents providing further information on the subject. The questionnaire is formed of various multiple-choice questions. Each question has only one correct answer. You can answer, confirm, and move on to the next question, or jump the question and move to the next one. If you are unsure about the answer to a question, you can go to the relevant slide, where you will find the information necessary to answer the question correctly. At the end of each test questionnaire, you will be shown your result, and the questions you answered correctly and those that you got wrong. Your score will appear on the right, with a comment on your performance, which may be unsatisfactory, satisfactory, or excellent. You can suspend answering the test at any time. The platform memorizes what you have already answered and will show the data for the tests completed and the scores achieved, without losing what you have already done. At your next access, you will find a summary of your learning performance, updated to the last access in your Personal Control panel. A queue will appear under each chapter which gives you direct access to the questionnaire, provided that you have consulted the whole training section. If you have any doubts at any time, you can consult the virtual assistant, which is always present. This provides indications on all the functions on the platform.